Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another advent calendar unboxing for you. And this is the Sugarfina Santa's Workshop Candy Tasting Collection. This is a 24-day advent calendar, and each day has 4 pieces of a different type of candy, and they are all here on the back if you want a little spoiler alert. So it has a mix of chocolate and like gummy candies. These are all the different candies. Santa's donuts, look how cute. I have 2 candies that I love that I always get from them, and it's the roses. It's like the roses and then champagne roses or something, and I don't think those are here, which is good because it's a good way to try all these different little things. So it says here includes 4 pieces of each candy. So each day is a different type of candy, and this will also be a tasting for you. So what I plan on doing is opening each day for you, trying 1 piece, and then saving the other 3 for my 3 kids. Okay, so here it is turned around. And you can see the really cute detailing here on the front. It says to the workshop, and it's like, it's his mail, I guess. Super cute. And then here's a 24th day right here, special day. So let's just open this up, and it's a little door. And I love when they have these little displays. Oh, look how cute. I didn't even notice they have the little toys. They're the elves that work on the little toys. Here are all the little toys on these shelves. There is Santa reading out the list of who's been naughty and nice. Here's the other side. So cute. By the way, these things spinning in the background are diptyque carousels. These are the limited edition holiday diptyque carousels. They release them a new one every year. And then the one in the middle that's going haywire is the lantern. It just is so crazy how fast they go. I'll post them down below if you're interested. They release every year and they sell out pretty quick. So if you're interested, then you need to go ahead and pick these up. These are, I believe, are from last year, and then the one in the middle is maybe from a couple of years ago. The design this year is a little different, but anyway, if you're interested, yeah, check them out while they're still available. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these out. So I'll just open the door. It is very neatly arranged, all in order, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no like confusion trying to find which day you're at. So here's the first day, day 1. So it comes out and it's like a little package, and look how cute. So there's the number 1, and then it's a little box. And as long as you don't mess it up, you can, you know, refill this again. So I plan on doing that. So I kind of wish they at least marked the package with what it is. It is on the back, so maybe it's supposed to be a surprise. It has a little notch so you can open it easily. Okay, so this is a caramel. It kind of tastes like it's coffee, but I don't think so because then it wouldn't be good for kids. So let's see if I can read this here. This is the dark chocolate sea salt caramel. So this is really good because then it's not too sweet. It has that nice salty little aftertaste. Day 2 is another chocolate. This is a little bigger. By the way, when you buy Sugarfina, I love the containers because I use them to organize my makeup drawers. These are the little plastic containers that they come in. There's a lid. I usually toss the lid, and then I save these containers to organize my makeup drawers. The smaller ones, I put little samples, and then the larger containers, I can fit concealers and stuff just to organize. And it's another chocolate. So this is a chocolate covered peanut. Oh, it's pretzel. So yeah, so this is a pretzel. Part of me, because when I saw that, I was like, okay, it's a nut. My oldest son, I have 3 boys. My oldest son is allergic to nuts. I appreciate that they are trying to kind of have a surprise, I guess, but if this were nuts, he would not be able to eat this. In the description, it does say, allergen information contains milk, soy, and wheat, may also contain peanut and tree nuts. I'd have to just make sure that he can eat these. So this one he can eat because it's not a peanut, it's a pretzel bite. But yeah, so if you have any kids with allergies, or if you have any allergies, just be aware that it doesn't say on the packet what it is. Day 3, cute, it's little red little bonbons. What is day 3? Mary berries. Let's see if I can guess what it is. Okay, so that's what it looks like for day 3. So it's a little gummy. So these are the Mary berries. I don't know what that is, but it's berry flavored. By the way, the serving size is like 4 pieces, and I'm eating 24 pieces for you guys. Okay, day 4. Okay, day 4 is the gummy. I love their gummies. Again, I love their rose gummies and the champagne, I think, gummies. This is called Holiday Presents. Okay, I'll try the clear one. Oh, cute. Okay, can you see? So it's a little gummy of a present with a bow on it, and then they also have it in red. Okay. Their gummies are good because they're not too hard. We eat a lot of candy in this house, and you know the Haribo gummies? Sometimes they're a little too tough, but these are pretty good. Day 5. Oh, cute. The gummies, I think at this point kind of all taste the same. So this is the Strawberry Pacifier. It's in the shape of a little baby pacifier. Let's try this out. Okay, once you like really sink your teeth into it, you really do taste the strawberry. So it's good, but yes, it does taste like strawberry. Day 6 is right here. It's another gummy, but it's the transparent or the opaque gummies. Oh, it's an actual strawberry. This is called the Petite Strawberry. Look at that, it does look like a little strawberry. Oh, these are so good. Okay, if you're a mom. These are like really good fruit snacks. These definitely taste more like fruit than the Strawberry Pacifier, like the transparent gummy that just is like a typical kind of inexpensive gummy bear. This is really good. Day 7 is, oh, a gummy bear. Okay, these are the Clementine Bears. I love clementines. I always, when I get groceries, I get a bag of those little clementines. They're just really easy to peel, you know, for kids. Look how cute. So I like that it's, you know, even though it's a clementine bear, they could have made it a lot more orange, but it looks like they're trying to be a little more natural with the, at least with the food coloring. Okay. These are a lot tougher than the Petite Strawberry, but I am getting clementine. I'm talking while I'm chewing, sorry. Now it does taste like clementine. Day 8. Again, I love how these open up like that. Day 8 are these birthday cake caramels. So you can see, it looks like the funfetti cake. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. These are the birthday cake cookie bites because you can see inside, it's like a cookie texture, not a caramel. That's coming up. Day 9. Ooh, okay. So these are peach hearts. Let's open this up. Okay, here it is, a little peach. To the inside. These really taste like peach. I live in Georgia now, and this is like the official peach state. So just a fun fact, but this does taste like peach. Day 10 is another gummy. I think I messed up. I think day 10 is the Clementine Bear. I think the other day was Strawberry Bear. So I don't even know at this point. It's kind of all the same to me. Let's see if I can suss it out. Okay, I don't even know anymore. Is this Clementine Bears? Maybe. Some type of fruity gummy bear. Day 11. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know anymore. Okay, oh cute. So yeah, these are pineapple saxophones. Like what an interesting choice. Why not just the pineapple? Okay. Oh, very pineapple-y. It's like I'm on the Dole plantation. Day 12 is, oh, another pineapple, okay. Okay, good, so I guess these are the Petite Pineapples. So this is the texture, again, that I prefer. This is more authentic to the fruit than the gummy. There's the inside, see, it's a lot denser, but it's still pretty soft. So this is called Island Pineapple. And day 13 is, oh, okay. These are just called Sugarfina Pearls. So let's see what one of these tastes like. So this is the pearl. It's a gold little pearl. Okay. So this is like an M&M. It's like a pearl M&M. It's a chocolate little pearl with a candy coating. And yeah, it's like a fancy M&M. And this one they give you 8 is the equivalent of 1 serving. Day 14, more pearls. Oh, these must be the birthday cake caramels. So let's open one of these. So here is the pearl. It's a little bigger than the cookie bite. Yeah, and then inside is the caramel. This is really good. I don't really like caramels, I guess generally, but this is good because it's not too big. I can handle one of these. Day 15 is, ooh, green. Cute, okay, green. So day 15 are the Matcha Bears. These are green. And there it is. Okay, I bit the head off. Oh, okay, yeah. This does taste like matcha. Matcha is an interesting flavor. I do like matcha mochi. I don't really like matcha bubble tea. Day 16 is, ooh, is this the Pina Colada? Oh, look how cute. Okay, day 16 is the melon cucumber. Wow. Do you guys remember Cucumber Melon, Bath & Body Works, when you were little? So these are melon cucumber bears. Let's get up close. That's it in half. Very cucumber melony. Very refreshing. Reminds me of high school. Bath and Body Works. Day 17, it's right here. Day 17 are more gummy bears. Okay, I don't know what this is. This looks like matcha, but it can't be. Let's see if I can taste it. What? I'm so confused. Was that matcha? I don't know. Maybe this is matcha and the other one was the rainbow. I don't know. It's green. It tastes like gummy bears. I feel like if you're eating this individually, it would be easier. I'm kind of like just testing it out and I'm not really cleansing my palate in between. Okay, so this is day 18. Oh, okay, these are the skateboards. So these are Apple skateboards. Oops. The skateboard. Ooh, it really does smell like green apple. Nice green apple skateboards. Day 19. Ooh, okay. These are watermelon slices. That's what it looks like. Okay, very watermelon juicy. These are really good. These are accurate. I feel like every fruit should just be what it is, and enough with the different gummy bears. I can't distinguish the different gummy bears. Day 20. Oh, look how cute. These are ice cream, little ice cream cones. We'll try the white ice cream cone. Look at that. That's cute. Flat on one side. Look, I could take a bite of one. These are like marshmallows. Very good. They're like a very dense marshmallow. Day 21 are another yellow thing. Are these the saxophones? What were the other things? Did I get doubles? So day 21, it's another saxophone, and I feel like I just got this. Yeah, I definitely got this already. I mean, I don't mind it because I love pineapple. These are definitely the pineapple saxophone gummies, again, that I opened up already, but that's okay. Day 22, and ooh, these are cool, blue. These are blue baby whales. One of my favorite gummies are the blue sharks. They're like white and blue. Yeah, it's like blue raspberry. Okay, day 23 are, oh, okay, so these are different. So this is the first one that I think are different colors. These are called Heavenly Sours. I love sour candy. Try the blue one. Okay, so that's one. They're different shapes here. There's a star and something, and then a little crescent moon for the yellow one. These are soft gummies. Very sour. It's like making my mouth pucker. Okay. And then on the 24th and final day, it is a special blue package, different from the other days. And here it is. And it is, oh, okay. These are Santa's donuts. So these are, you know, like the treats you leave out for Santa on a plate by the fireplace. Super cute. It's got little sprinkles on them. Here's one. They look like little Cheerios. Okay, it's like a little cookie. Okay, so that is the Sugarfina 24-day Santa's Workshop Candy Tasting Collection Advent Calendar. This is a really cute one. This is only $55. This is a great gift. This is great for kids. My kids will love it. When they're done eating all the candies, I can refill them, or even I can eat these and then give them, put like M&Ms in them. So this would be a great gift for anyone who loves candy. This is probably also good for people who don't like candy and just want like a little taste of something, or if they're not familiar with Sugarfina, or if they are fans of Sugarfina. But yeah, I love the packaging. It is very thoughtful presentation. I love the windows on every day. It's just so cute, so well thought out, very well made. These doors are very heavy duty. These are adorable little days. So this is also great holiday Christmas decor. But yeah, that is the Sugarfina Santa's Workshop. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you like Sugarfina, or if you don't like candy, then gift this to someone else. But I enjoyed opening these up with you and trying out all these different candies. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.